YouTube videos anymore because I use iMovie, but like it takes up way too much storage. So my next plan is to get unlimited storage. Alright, so what am I doing? I don't know, because I did eyeshadow good once and I have a channel, so I'm doing my, let me back up. I'm looking really close. I'm doing my first tutorial, even though like I'm pretty sure I've named some videos tutorials, but like it was a lie. So yeah. Yeah, basically I concealed my eyelid. It needs to be reconcealed because with the LA girl, with the LA colors, what is the difference? Conceal it, cover it, whatever. It just looks like this, you know. And she needs to be reconcealed because she looks a little so I hope you guys liked my last video. That was probably one of my favorite videos that I filmed because I feel like I don't know, I just like wasn't talking, and now I'm back to talking, so sorry. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna be using a pencil brush. Can you see that dust? All right, pencil brush. They look like this. It doesn't have to be a duo brush, but just a pencil brush. Probably doesn't have to be that. You look like this, or like this. So yeah. And I'm going to be using a bunch of different palettes, so you know, just I'm using my Naked Urban Decay palette, the original Naked palette, and there's a color Buck, and I'm going to be using that color. So yeah, there's barely any left, but we're just gonna make do. I'm gonna draw a line like using a pencil or a color pencil. I'm just gonna draw a line. We're not gonna blend it, just draw a line. I really don't think I'm gonna be able to sit here and talk about makeup this entire time, but I'm gonna try because yeah, nobody sees the point of my YouTube channel because I'm not even doing anything. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line using that color, and then I'm gonna use the other side of this brush. This is the brush that came with the palette. You don't have to use this brush, I'm just using it. And we're gonna blend it out lightly. Yeah, done. So now I'm moving on to my Naked Heat palette. Did I use this? Yeah, I did. I'm gonna use this color right here, Cayenne. And we're just gonna draw another line a little bit in the same place, but like a little bit under it. As long as it's not all the way up here, you're good. And then I'm going to blend them together lightly. Okay, done. So now I'm gonna move into the color. Did I use that color? Yeah. Low blow. And we're gonna draw another line basically right on our eyelid. Oh jeez, I almost dropped my palette. And we're just gonna blend. And this time we're actually gonna like blend it. So I'm gonna use this brush because this is the brush I used to blend with, and it's really a brush. Don't know where it's from, so yeah, if you recognize this brush, good for you. All right, so she's blended. This is actually a pretty quick video. I'm making it long for no reason. So we're gonna use this side of the brush now. This black over here. And yeah, we're gonna tap, or it's gonna bring it down here and like tap up here. Like, yeah, you're not really gonna like pack it on up here, you're just gonna tap. You're trying to pack it on down here. Yeah, it can look like that. And then you're just gonna blend it out and make sure, you know, there aren't any patches. That's what I'm trying to do. But so we're just gonna add a little bit more to the places where I just didn't want to go. We're just gonna blend. I did one side so you could see if like you wanted to keep watching this video. But ew, why do I keep doing that? Like, nothing's even funny. Alrighty then. Also, I can start getting paid for YouTube now, but I don't really want to, because I feel like as soon as I start doing that, I'm gonna have to put out videos, and like, I'm kind of lazy. I'm not lazy, it's just that, well, it is, like, editing takes a lot of work. Especially if you want your video to be good. That's why my last video was like that, because I was too lazy. So I just cut out all the sound and added music. So yeah, I feel like I'm 10 times less funny on my YouTube channel than I am in real life. Oh, moving on. I don't really care about what I just said. Haley Morales, I have favorite like makeup people. So Rachel Cantu, Haley Morales, Madison Ashley, more people, but like I started watching Madison first, and I started watching well, did I start like that? No, it was Haley, then Madison, then Rachel. And Haley recently posted a picture on her Instagram, and I have the same pair of pants. I was even beside my friend, I was saying, I'm gonna comment, I wear the pants better. So I did, and then she replied to my comment, so I was like, yeah. Then like a bunch of like people were commenting under it. I'm mad about what I said. The one person was, and then a bunch of people were like, I'm pretty sure she was like joking, and I was. So yeah. I should do a video on people that have blocked me. Important people that have blocked me. Alright, so now I'm taking a brown, because I totally forgot that I did this, and I'm adding it like right above the black, I guess. Like, you probably can't see it, but like, it's there. Right, and now I'm gonna blend this sister. I filmed a get ready with me with my friends, but I deleted the video because like I didn't have any space to edit it and get to it and do anything to it. And my friend is also holding another video that we did together, which I like that one better. Anyways, the other one was kind of boring, so we're gonna use that one instead if I can ever find a way to get it. So yes, we love that. And I think I'm done, actually. Like, am I done? Is this all I did? I think so. So I'm gonna go finish my stuff and then come back and alright, so I don't really remember if before I ended my first clip, like when I finished my eyeshadow, if I said I was gonna come back and do my face makeup. But if I did, I lied. So sorry about that if I said that I was gonna do my face makeup, but I can't remember because I have short-term memory loss. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. You don't have to like, subscribe, comment, or share. Just watch the video again, because YouTube doesn't care about subscribers or the amount of likes you get. Just watch the video a good, you know, 2 more times, and yeah. Yeah, just watch it for at least like another minute so my watch time can go up, or even, you know, like 30 seconds, or the whole entire video, or the whole entire video. Peace out, Girl Scout.